Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. So this time we are going to talk about your tarot card predictions for the month of June 2020. Let's see what the card says for dear Virgos. It's such a good beginning this month coming. See, Ace of Pentacles. Dear Virgos, this month is going to give you a monetary benefit, a beginning, a new career start, or a growth, or some sort of increment in your earnings. The card says that you will have a new beginning that will give you some monetary benefit at the same time. Okay, so this is a card, and in case if you are looking forward to go for a job change, here is a time you can start searching for it. If you are looking for some opportunity, you want to start some business, here is your time this month. You can do that very easily. Card is quite positive to direct us towards some sort of take benefits from our career, from our professional life, dear workers. There is a second card again, which is again the Hermit, which is so much of a Virgo card, isn't it? So the Hermit is actually known as a Virgo card again, because it talks about intellectuals, it talks about wisdom, it talks about peace, and it talks about calmness. Virgos are not no it, they don't easily mingle with everyone. They want to be within their own hermit place, right? So the Hermit says that this time you have to you may not be able to go along with everyone. You may try to restrict yourself, or it's also a good time again to strategize, or no, to understand what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, to analyze them and make a good strategy of all these things. So because there is a new beginning, or there is an increment in your earnings, which the first card has suggested already. So the second card, the Hermit, says that here is the time again where you should come out with a proper planning, and with a proper strategy, understand what you can do. It's more about reading yourself. It's more about being yourself. The Hermit says being yourself, understand what you can do, what how you can do. So just read, go through all these things, a deeper understanding of yourself, dear Virgos. This card is asking you to do this month, June 2020. And the third card is again Queen of Swords, which is directing, which is actually a positive card if it be see from the career perspective. Okay, from the career perspective, this card is quite positive. Queen of Swords, which shows, you see, the queen is going forward. This queen is very strong lady, who is not who is not willing to look backward, who always believe in moving front. Okay, who always believe in walking the path that she desire to, and she strongly believe her own self. She strongly believe her own skills again. Okay, so the card says that you should be strong enough. The Queen of Swords also says that you may be getting some sort of guidance or some kind of support from a lady who is strong, who is independent, a lady who is quite matured. All right, and there can be two things, because there is a good beginning, there is a new beginning, or there is an increment in the income that I am seeing. And the second card is again talks about inner self, right? So the third card says that all these things will take you to an independent attitude, independent, more matured behavior of yours, where you find yourself accepting things, and going forward, not getting stuck up yourself, not no getting stuck up with your past. So the third card is in a synchronization of the next last two cards, says that you can, this is, here is the time to move forward, and here is the time that what you want to achieve, do it. Here is the time the lady comes as a uh, to give you this empowerment. Okay, dear Virgos, the energy card is again such a wonderful card that talks about strategy. Okay, so again, this card again says that strategize yourself, your plans, your goals. Here is the time which is giving you an opportunity to fulfill your goals. So the more strategic you are, the better planning you come forward, right? So the more easily you will be able to attain your goals. So this is very positive card. Again, your energies are quite positive, which are which are showing you a kind of long-term success, dear Virgos. So this is a, this is thing that this is a month where you have to put your best, where you have to both inner and outer way, no, you have to perform your best, and keep everything, create a strategy how you are going to do the things, and this will take you to the long term benefit. Okay? So, what is the universal message for you? Wow. Here is a message which I read this for you. I create mindful movements throughout the day, reminding myself that I am love and miracles are natural. Yes, dear Virgos. So, miracles are bound to happen this month and beyond this also, because when you are coming forward with a positive strategy, with a very good strategy, with a positive mindset, and with a much awareness about yourself, so definitely the miracles are going to happen. So this is all for this month, dear Virgos. I really wish you good luck, all the best, and we'll catch up again in the coming month. Till then, bye bye, take care.